Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to show one single tick in WhatsApp. So if you don't want the other person to know that you have seen the message or just want to keep the privacy, I'll show you how you can do it. So first you have to open the WhatsApp and after that you have to click onto the three dots which is in the top right corner, then click on settings. Then here you have to click on privacy. Once you tap onto it, you will see this option which is read receipt. If this option is enabled, then you just have to disable this option by clicking onto that green icon, and after that this option will get disabled. Now you just have to simply get back, and after that you have to go to the settings of WhatsApp, and there you have to make sure that you disable its access to internet and mobile data. For that you have to find the option, and after that you have to just simply disable it. Here I have the option the background data. Maybe you have the same option or maybe the different. You just have to simply disable its access to internet and mobile data. Then you will be able to show one single tick in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.